Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Koinly to export IRS-ready tax forms, full guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Koinly website at www.koinly.io. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. Fill in the required details, including your email address and a strong password. Once your account is created, log in to your Koinly dashboard. To start importing your cryptocurrency data, select the Import option from the sidebar. Choose the type of imports you need, either via API or file uploads. If you opt for API, select the exchange you want to connect to. Follow the instructions provided by Koinly to generate an API key from your exchange. Copy the API key and paste it into the designated field in Koinly. Click Import to upload your transaction history. If you prefer manual uploads, select the Import from File option. Download your transaction history file from your exchange in a supported format. Upload the file to Koinly by clicking the Browse button and selecting your file. After your data has been imported, review the transactions for accuracy. Ensure that the imported transactions are categorized correctly. If necessary, edit any individual transactions to ensure they reflect your actual holdings. Next, navigate to the Tax Reports tab in the sidebar. Select the tax year for which you want to generate the report. Choose the type of report you need, such as IRS report or capital gains report. Click on the Generate Report button to compile your data. Once processing is complete, you'll see an option to download your IRS-ready report. Download the report in PDF or CSV format according to your needs. Review the downloaded report for any discrepancies before filing. If everything is correct, you are now ready to use the report for your IRS tax submission. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.